Good afternoon, dear students. Myself Parvatama, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, GFGC, Gauri Biddur. Welcome for the session 23. In this session, we are going to discuss about the meaning of fund and fund flow statement. In the previous class, we discussed about the analysis of the financial performance of the business by using the different ratios. The objective of this chapter is to familiarize the student with the fund flow statement as a tool for diagnosing the financial performance of a business. After this session, you are able to understand the meaning of fund and fund flow statement. Meaning of fund flow statement. This is a statement which is prepared by the business concerned to analyze the reasons for changes in the financial position of a company between two balance sheet dates. This statement describes the inflow and outflow of fund, means sources and application of fund for a particular period. Definition of fund flow statement. According to the definition of Robert Anthony, the term fund flow statement describes the sources from which the additional funds were derived and the uses to which these funds were utilized. The objective of fund flow statement. To explain the changes in the financial position. The objective of fund flow statement is to disclose the causes for changes in the assets, liabilities and equity capital between two balance sheet dates. It highlights the changes in financial position of the concern and indicate the various means by which funds were obtained and ways to where these funds were utilized. To analyze the operational position. Another objective of fund flow statement is to analyze the operational position of the concern. The balance sheet gives the view of financial position and the profit and loss account report the income statement. These statements cannot tell about the actual liquidity position of the concern. Sometimes a firm with high profit may not be able to pay its liabilities due to the shortage of cash. But the objective of fund flow statement is to explain both the causes for various indifference assets, liabilities and capital accounts and their effect on liquidity position of the concern. To help in proper allocation of resource. The objective of fund flow statement is to provide information regarding the allocation of limited resource with more efficiency and effectively. It provides the information about the internal and external sources of financing. This is also provide the data regarding the unbalanced fund. On the basis of this information, a business concern can allocate its funds in and long areas more properly. To evaluate financial position. Internal and external users of financial statement require fund flow statement for the purpose of assessing the strength and weakness of the business firm. Fund flow statement provide the information regarding changes in the net information, enable various groups users to assess and evaluate the financial position of the business. To helps to formulating dividend policy. Fund flow statement also useful for the management to frame the policy regarding the dividend at the time of declaring the dividend to their existing shareholders. Another objective of fund flow statement is guide to future course of action. The future needs of the fund for various purposes can be known well in advance from the projected fund flow statement. Accordingly, timely action may be taken to explore various avenues of fund. Proper managing of working capital. Fund flow statement also help the management to know whether working capital has been effectively utilized to the maximum extent in business operations or not. It depicts the surplus or deficit in working capital than required. This helps the management to use the surplus working capital profitably and to locate the resource of additional working capital in case of scarcity. It guides to investors. Fund flow statement helps the investor to know whether the fund have been used properly by the company. The lenders can make an idea regarding the credit worthiness of the company and decide whether to lend money to the company or not. Evaluation of performance. Fund flow statement help the management in judging the financial and operating performance of the company. Thank you very much.